Now I am going to work with the agent sections add property. So how I can add property here, I will show you. For example, here if I go to see the user dashboard, so user dashboard.html, for example, here is HTML. So in this case the add property form was actually this type. Okay, so this is actually the form, and what I can do is I can use the same type of thing from here. Okay, so I am going to here. There is no properties actually, so I will have to create the properties table. So I am going to terminal and PHP artisan make migration. So make migration and then create properties table. Okay, so I will have to create a model also, PHP artisan make model, and property will be the model singular form, and first letter will be capitalized. Now I will have to create into the admin. There is only a controller. In the case of admin I create separate controller, but for the agent controller I am not going to add any other controller for the agent. So what I will do here, I am going to close all this. So this was my agent controller, and I am going to the bottom, and here I am going to work with the property add section. So public then function property create. So property create, I will create property here. So agent.property.create, I am going to the folder, that is the agent folder, and here I am going to create the property section folder, and there I am going to create index.blade.php. More items will be needed here, that is the create.blade.php, and another one here I will add, that is edit.blade.php. So here what I will do is, in the agent controller it is property create, this is okay, and another one here will be property. So here I am going to write so property wall or something like that. So here it will be index, and now I am going to the here, that is in the agent section. I am now going to the agent section. Agent controller is where this is, and in the top here middleware agent. Okay, now here I am going to copy the data from the admin, for example like this, and into the agent section here I am going to paste it, and all this will be here agent controller. So agent controller, and here it will be property. So all will be property here. So property, I am going to add the property, but here the index will not be like this. Here it will be property all. So all the property I am going to see like this, and here it will be property create, the function. So it will be property create, agent property create, and agent property index. It is, I am not going to change the route and name, it is okay. And here it will be property store, property edit, property update, and property delete. So property wall will work here. So admin property index, not admin, here I am going to change it now. So all will be agent underscore property. So agent property index will be here. I am going to close the public now. Okay, I am going to the agent of sidebar. Here in the agent sidebar you see add property and all property. So it will be route of agent property index, and here is all property. The all will be agent property index, and add property will be agent property create. So like this. So now let's check it. I am now going to here refresh. You see add property and all property. First I am going to all property. You see property index, there is nothing. So here I will have to show all the items. So now I am going to copy the data from order table, copy and paste it here. It will be properties, and these properties will be agent own properties. So agent properties, you can give the headline it is okay. And here you see the in the case of property, I will have to create the migration file code. I created the migration, but table I did not create. So here I will add the items. So for the property, I am going to give here that is string name, and name should not be unique. Name is okay, normal. And then there will be slug. So here I am going to write here property slug, and it will be unique. So name slug. What other items will be here, I am going to show you. This property will be added by a agent. So in the top I can use here the table of integer. So here integer will be here, and property will be agent add by agent. So here I write the agent ID, and each property must have something, that means there is a location and type. So I am going to use here that is the type ID, because my table name is type, and another one that is here location. So here there will be a location ID. So I can write location first and then type. So agent ID, location ID, and there is a type ID. And there is a amenity section also, because if you go here, you see I added also another item, that is amenities. A property can have multiple amenities. So here I will apply a trick. So it can be a string, and here I can input all the items in a system. So amenities. And here it can be nullable or not. So for now it is nullable. I will later think if the nullable is needed or not. I will show you that later, no problem. So what other items are here, I am going to see. There is a property price. So what I will need to have a name slug, then there will be a property price. So property must have a price, so it will not be nullable. So there is another one, that is the property description. So here description will be here, but this should be text format, so it will be text. So here I am going to make it nullable also. So just make it nullable. And after the description, name select description, there will be a featured photo. So here I call that is the featured photo. So featured image, but it is not nullable. He must have to give a featured photo for a property, so it will not be nullable. So price, and then featured photo, there will be a purpose. So purpose will be for rent or sell, something like that. So here I am going to give purpose. So this will be a selectable property, no problem. And what other things are there, and here you see after here it will be purpose and bedroom bathroom size. So here I am going to give here that is the integer, or if you give string is okay. So bedroom and bathroom, here I am going to give bathroom, and there will be garage. Here I again see it. If in the search field, if this is I am going to see, you will be able to check by bathroom or something like that. That means 1 or 2. So there is number, right? So it is better to give here a number. That means how many bathroom or how many bedroom, in this way. So here I can give all the things as integer. So that is the number. So bedroom, bathroom, and garage. What are the things? Size. So here I am going to give here size. So all will be integer. And after that, floor, garage, balcony. So here you write floor. So floor will be here, garage, and here will be balcony. So balcony. And after that, address built here. So here it will be address. So I am going to give here address, and there will be build here. So build here you can give here, and this can be integer also. And after the build here, what other things? Location map, amenity is already given, so here there will be a location map. So map should be something like description, so I copy that from here and it will be map. And now if this property is featured or not, I can select it from here. This can be string is featured. So is featured, you can make it yes or no, something like that. So I give here is featured. And another one is property status. So here status is pending until the admin approve it, it will be pending. And all the things like the bedroom or bathroom, these things you can just make it nullable. So here I am going to give the items nullable. Address also nullable, everything I just give nullable, it is okay. So I hope all the things are given properly here. So I am going to run it. So PHP artisan migrate, and it should be created. So now I am going to check my table. So refresh, you see the table comes, this is the properties. And one thing here to mention is that I am going to close it for now. And the model, so I will have to add something in my model, because there is another model come, that is property. In property there is agent ID, so it must belongs to agent ID. So public function agent. So agent will be belongs to agent class. Okay. Another one that I added, that is public function location. So location will belongs to location class. Another one is public function type, and it belongs to type class. So here you see agent ID, location ID, type ID. And similarly in the agent, location and type, I am going to add it. So in the agent here, public function properties has many, and in the location also similar, public function properties has many, and in the type similar, that is public function properties has many. There is no agent type, remove it. So only the properties like the has many. So in the type, in the location, and here, so automatically the relation has been built up in this way. So I can use the relation when I will work with this. Okay, so this is the property detail I will show here as in properties. And what will be actually the properties, if you go here, all the properties, if you see, this is actually user properties layout. So I am going to open the user properties. So here I am just going to open this with my editor. So here what is the thing I need to change is table responsive. I am going to copy it from here, so this section, and so in here I am going to replace this, so it will be like this. And here I will need to apply the data here. Actually if I go here, here refresh, you see it comes, but this is not the real data. And also the property photo, the featured photo is not showing here. So what I should do, I should apply the featured photo here. So TAs, then featured photo here. Name, type, location, status. Active means actually the status. Here is purpose. So name, type, location, purpose, and who added this. So here I can write here, that is the agent. So write agent here, who added this. After location, add the type, just follow the serial, and this is a status. Okay, so active or not. Options means other things that I will show you, no problem. and in the agent controller you see in the property wall. So from the property table I am going to get all the data, and where the agent ID is this logged in ID. Okay, so properties, so properties equal to this, and here I will send it to the properties like this way, and in the top I will have to call the model, that is property, then it will work. Now I am going here, and this one I am going to use properties as property, and here I am going to use end for is. So this one is not needed, remove it. And from here this will be the loop iteration, so here it will be loop iteration here, and then there will be a photo here. So photo will be, each property must have a photo in this way, so just you can call the photo property image. Here it is not needed, so alter is, I can remove it. Class is for example W100, and this one is not needed, just remove it. And other thing is property name is okay, you see property name, and there is a agent, so agent name is okay. Then property location, so here it will be location name, and in the case of type it will be type of name, and purpose will be property purpose, and there is a property status. If property status equal active, then it will be active, otherwise it will be pending. So it will be like this. And another one, that is photo gallery and video gallery, that is inside here, and I am going to delete this thing. So user photos, that means actually the photo section I am going to paste it. I will have to work with that. And here agent property edit, agent property delete, it is okay. So now let's do that, refresh. You see there is no property, so it is not showing. And in the left side I can use the sidebar in this way, that is request is. So copy this, and here I call agent property and then star. And similar way I am going to show this one here. So let's go here, add property. No, I want to show here the add property section, you can avoid or write here, no problem. So here I am going to the sidebar, and here if I go to the web, that means I will have to go to the web route. So only when create means here actually the create, so property create is the here it will be add property when there will be a create. So okay, and when there will be other, that means here it see index or edit or update. So index, edit or update. So in that case you can write index request is this, or here write this one. So request is edit and then star, or then request is update and there is star. So if this, then all properties will be selected. You see it is selected, and when click, then that will be selected. Now I am going to work with the section that is add property. So in order to work with that, you know, I have this one, that is the create.blade.php. So I am going to do one thing, that is I am going to copy this, and I am going to create and paste it. So here as in create property. So okay, so as in create property, and here I am going to remove this table responsive. I am just going to remove these things. Okay, so now what I will add here, I am going to here, for example, in my application here, front end user, you see order payment. Okay, here is property add. So here drag and drop it here, and now I am going to this section, form section. So from here to here, all the form I am going to copy, and in my create here I paste it. so it should work. Here it will be CSRF, and here this will be, there is a form, there is a photo, featured photo, so I put it. And here I am going to put the route, and here what I will write, you will see in the case of property store, as in property store, so I am going to write it here. And there are many items here. You will see there is no featured property adding option, photo, there is no photo. And if I want to see this thing now, what I will actually see here, so let's do that. Refresh it. You see when I click add property, it comes to property create, but there is no photo add system here. So in the top you can just add the item, that is for example the photo. So here copy this, paste it here, input type equal to file, and here name equal to photo, and here it is not needed, and the label will be featured photo. So this is the label. So now if I refresh, you see the featured photo, you will have to write here, then add all the things. So first one is actually the title, property title or property name. In my case, what I added here, if you go to the properties table, you will see that the property name, and here I am going to change it. For example, I am going to make it the title. What I will write, title or name? Name is okay, right? So not title, name is okay here, perfect. I am not going to change it. So name is name, and here it is name, and there will be a slug, so here it will be a slug, and is cases, here it will be, for example, that is value. So value field will be here old, so old of name. So similarly in the case of slug, the value will be old of slug. The price, the value will be old of price. Here you will have to write the price. What other things are here? You see name, slug, price, then description, featured photo, here is description, and here I am going to write description, old description, and here it will be description, and here you see location. So here simply I can go to property create, and from the location table I am going to get all the location and order by IDSC, and locations equal to this thing I will send in that, and this location I will have to call into the top. So here total how many things I will need, one is location, another one is type. So here I will write the type, and amenity if I need, so I just put it here, amenity, it is okay. And I again back to here, so locations I will send there, then there is a types, type I will send there. So here I will have to write this types, amenities is needed, amenities equal to this. So here also I will send the amenities to that page. So now I have the locations. So what I can do, I can use for is then locations as location, and then it will be the option location of ID. So that means this table ID and location of name, that is also okay. And here name will be location ID, here it will be type ID, and here similarly I am going to follow the previous item, that is types as type ID, type name. And this is the purpose here, this will be the purpose is sell or rent. So here you can write sell or here rent. So here I call sell or rent. And bedrooms, how many bedrooms you want to add here. If you want, you can make it simple like the input box like this. You can also show like this. So here you will have to just give the number. So bedroom, and here I am going to call the bedroom, and type equal to, here you can put the number. So if I want to refresh the items now, you will see that bedroom, here you will just put, you can also put the max and min. So here bedroom will be started from min equal to 1, for example, or 0 you can write here, no problem, but negative value not possible. Okay, so this is the bedrooms, and then you can show here bathrooms. So here bathroom, and then there will be size, how many square feet. So here it will be size, and then there will be floor, size floor, then there is garage, size floor, garage, balcony. So here it will be balcony. After that there is a built year. So here I write, so I am going to write built year. Okay, and then there is a map. So put the map here, and the world of map I am going to put here, that is the map. ACE is okay here, I am not going to change. And amenities, how many amenities it will show, all will be shown in this way. For example, for is amenities as amenity. Okay, so here I am going to write this one, and I am going to close end for is, and all the items, what things here I need to check, that is the thing I will have to check it. So this is loop iteration, and here value is nothing, but here I am going to use the name. So you see, you will have to check here the name. There you can take the multiple values here. So name equal to amenity of array. So the ID is a value will be actually the amenity ID. So here I am going to put amenity ID, and here it will be amenity name. So amenity name here, and all other static data I am going to remove after that. So just remove it. Okay, and in the last it will be submit, that is good. But now let's check it, refresh, hard refresh. You see these are given here, address, built year here. From you can define the built year in another way. So that is, you see balcony is okay, and how many you can set up the max. For example, bedrooms, how many bedrooms. So here it can be, for example, 20. So 20, more than 20 bedrooms is not logical here, but I can give it 100, no problem. So max this bathroom 100, size is how many square feet. So here max will be, for example, 50,000 or 1 lakh. So here floor is how many floor, 100, or here I can give it is okay, floor is 100. Garage, here I also put 100. Balcony, here I did not set up the balcony, sorry, in the address I set up the balcony, it is address actually. So here it will be balcony. So balcony, so in the balcony how many, here I am going to put 100. Address has nothing about mean and mean, so it is just a text here normally. So here I put the text. Built year, if you write number, so I can give here 1900 for example, and the current year is coming, that means date of Y. So this is the built year. and location map is text area, and amenities are coming in this way as an array. It is coming. I will save it. So this one I am going to remove. So I am going to refresh it. You see amenities coming in a very good way, and submit, and all the things are here. So okay, all the things are here. So my task is to add the property. So if I go to check the property or property detail, you will see that each property has some information. For example, seaside property I am going to add here, but before submitting, I am going to check what will actually happen. So it will actually come into here, that is the property store. So here I am going to write property store, and here this will be a request of request. And now here what will be, normally here if I go to the admin, so for example going to admin controller, and then if I go to the agent controller, so what is the store? Store means actually this is happening something. So I am going to copy this one. So now close it, paste it. So in the property store, what I will need here, what are the mandatory fields? So in the property store, you see name, slug, price, 3 items are mandatory. So here name, slug. So there are many other places where there is a slug. So if you go to the location, you will see there is a slug this way. So I copy this, and here I am going to paste my slug, and instead of this it will be properties, and slug will be slug format is this. And the photo here is featured photo. So here I write featured photo, and name, slug, photo. What other items are here? Price is very important. So price will be here, required and numeric. And if you want that it is not numeric, it is also possible. So I am not going to make it strict. What other items? Location type, these are actually select box. So bathroom size etc are not mandatory. So here I am going to remove this one from here. These are not mandatory, but if you want you can make this mandatory. It actually depends how actually you want to add any property. I do not want to give those optional, because you see here are size, bedroom, bathroom, and also this information. So here I can make it size, bedroom, bathroom, must have to give. So here I will write, that is this one will be size, for example size, and then here it will be numeric, right? So it is numeric. And bedroom, and here required numeric, bathroom required numeric. And designation and password in this case not needed, so I remove this. And photo I am going to put in the last. So price, and then size, and other items are here. And here you see this is the location, and this is okay. And this address is important. So if you want you can make those mandatory, that means the address. So you can make this mandatory. So address and build tier, if there is any build tier, no. So address is important, so I am going to give the address mandatory, means here I will have to check the address. So address is required. And featured photo is here, and the property photo will be here, property featured photo, so F photo. Okay, so I just give it, no problem. And what will be the photo? In my case, in the create, if you go here you will see this is a photo, it is okay. And if you want that instead of photo, I am going to check featured photo or normal photo. It is actually the featured photo, so here I can give in the create, the name will be featured photo. So this, by this name I will come into my controller. So here I am going to give here the name featured photo. This is featured photo, it will be also featured photo. And in the property table it will be changed. So I select all the items. What I am going to do is in control, yes, right, no problem. So I am going to give here a name. So property, so property equal to new property. Here is not email, here is Slack. Property has name Slack, featured photo equal to final name, and there is no password here, nothing. I am going to remove all the items. And what are there? Name Slack, featured photo, price, and then there is a size, bedroom, bathroom, and address, location ID, type ID, agent ID, and description, status, amenities, implode amenities by the request of amenities. If the request of amenities is an array, if the implode work or not, I will have to check it. Okay. So if everything is okay, request status not 0, here I am going to make the status. So here this is not needed. Send mail to where? Send mail to admin. So admin will receive it, that a property request comes here. So here it will be admin property index. So admin property index will be something like that, admin will see. So here I am going to copy and into the admin. That means admin means here what I did here like this. So property index, this is for example the admin controller, and admin controller, and property wall name, here it will be admin, for example admin property index. So here I am going to write admin property index. A new property has been added. So here you can see the property information. I can write like this. Here I write please check the, and here this one I am going to remove, and first one will not be dot equal to. So I am going to write please check the following link to see the pending properties, to see the pending property that is currently added to the system. So here I am going to write the BR is not needed in this case. Okay, so there a link will be needed in my case, and that will be here the link. So I am going to remove everything except the link. So here message equal to this is the link, and property information not needed to send, and where the email will be sent into the admin. So actually admin will receive this one. So admin model already have there, and now I will need the admin data. So admin data equal to admin, where ID equal to 1, and here I am going to write admin email, admin email equal to admin data of email, and here it will be admin email. Property created successfully. So now let's check it. What are the other things I need to worry about? That is name Slack, featured photo, price. I am going to give name Slack, featured photo, price, description, purpose. One thing I missed, that is purpose. So here will be description, description, where price, here description, and there will be a purpose. So purpose will be here. After price, description and purpose, agent ID, location ID, type ID, amenities. Agent ID, location ID, first this one, location ID, type ID, amenity. So amenity is here, amenity is this. Request of status will not be here, it will be by default pending. So what are the things, other things? So I am going to check agent ID, location ID, amenities, then name stars. So I am going to cut these 4 items and then name stars. Name select featured photo. Okay, so name select description, price, featured photo. So description, price, featured photo. And after the featured photo, purpose, bedroom, bathroom, size, purpose, bedroom. So here is bedroom, bathroom, then it will be size. And after size, if I go here, floor, garage, balcony, address, built here, floor, then garage, balcony, floor, then there will be a garage, floor, garage, then it will be balcony, floor, garage, balcony, address, built here, map, address, property, address, property, built here, it will be built here, not D, it will be T, built here. And after built here, there will be map, is featured status, built here, then there will be a map, built here, map, then status is okay, but is featured. So here it will be is featured. Request of, here it will come from the is featured. So I am going to write like this, request is featured, it will come status pending, it is okay. And I am going to check if there is any is featured selection system in the front end. Here if there is featured, no. So after built here, after address, built here, I can do that. Address, here I am going to write this one, address, built here, and there I am going to give is featured, and this is featured can be yes and no. So selection yes and no. And old value, here I am going to give the if is featured yes, this one is selected, and similarly if is featured no, then it is selected. So I hope it will work without any issue. And here the amenity, okay. So when it will be submitted, here I am going to give amenities, request of amenity, request of all. If I call the wall, what will happen? So I am just going to check the amenities, submit. You will see amenities array 1 and 5. So if I just write amenity, for example, here you see what it is suggesting me, implode of request amenities. So here I will need to check it. Okay, so implode of request amenities, I am going to resend. Implode argument type is string, must be type an array, null given. So here you see request of amenities. what is the array in my case? In my case it is probably amenity or amenities. I'm not sure, so let's go to here where I showed the amenities. You see amenity is the array, only amenity, so amenity is okay. So now resend, you see 1,5, so it is coming, so it is okay. So amenity should work in the way I want. In that way you can show all the data. So okay, so let's do that. I am going back, going to hard refresh it. So let's try to add the first one. So I am going to add the property. For example, the first one was this one. Okay, so now it is C-side property. I am going to add it here. So here C-side property, price is, what will be the price? For example, 56,000. so here this can be the price. And description is lorem ipsum generate. So here I am going to use this system. I like this. So here just copy anything from here that is here, and then location is, for example, Boston, or here I can give here California. Okay, California and villa. This is for sale. Bedroom is 4. Here I can give any kind of number. Here is this 1 floor, 4 floor garage 2, balcony 5. Address, and what address I am going to give. For example, this is the address. You can put any address here. And then built year is 1980. Is featured, I give here no. Location map, so map.google.com, or if you want you can use the same map that was used into the property detail page. And here is a map. So I am going to here iframe. So a sample map code is actually here. So I copy the data from this place, and now coming back to here, refresh. Okay, so amenity is free Wi-Fi, gym and swimming pool. So click on submit. You see implode has the problem, the same issue. I actually forget to put it, so refresh, resend it. You see it is waiting. That means data is going to be inserted and email is going to be sent. Okay, so it is taking you to the admin logging page. Why? Because here admin isn't index I put here. So admin here actually the email will be sent to admin property. Okay, so here it will be into the agent controller. So agent property index, agent property index. So I go back, agent dashboard, all properties. You see this property comes, I added this one, but problem is it is not getting the photo, because I am going to check where is the photo, featured photo. It was actually not working. I'm going to check it, public uploads, property, second photo also come, photo uploaded, it is okay, but okay, somehow the photo is not working. That is not a problem. 6981, which one was saved? 81 was saved. So first one I will have to manually delete it. Okay, but you see the photo is not showing here. So I am going to the property show page, index page, and here actually it will featured photo, property of featured photo, but not this. So now refresh. It is very big. I am going to make it W100 for example. Yes, now it is working. And photo gallery, video gallery is another other thing I will show you. And what I am going to do here, going to give 700. What does 700 means? If I give here the 770, it is working, and here 150 if I give, yes, these two are working. And you see the status is pending, and the user, the agent, added this one, and I will work next with editing the options here, and also how I can manage the photo gallery and video gallery I will also show you. Now I am going to work with the edit section. You see that in the agent properties there is edit button. Now I am going to the index, and here you see the edit is here. So agent property edit and agent property delete. If I go to here, you will see that the agent property edit and delete, that is here. Agent property edit, this one, that means property edit will be a function. So in the controller here, property store, and then I am going to write public function property edit, and here I am going to write something like that. So in the property edit, you see they are suggesting me some codes. I just press the tab. Now let's check if it is work or not. So here in the property table, I am going to search the ID by this one, and if you want, you can search by this or not, or if you want, you can also search this. Yes, because I want to make sure if there is any property by this name. If not get, then property not found. And then the next thing is I am going to the locations, and in the locations I am going to get all the locations, all the types, and the amenities. So agent property edit and all the things I am going to pass into the edit page. So like the create, I am going to the edit, and here is nothing. I am going to copy the create page content, and in the edit I am going to paste it. So here is agent edit property, and after that here property store, here it will be update. So agent property update, and parameter I am going to send it, that is property and ID. So now featured photo is okay, but existing featured photo I am going to show here first, and then copy this, and then it will be change featured photo. And existing featured photo, this will be actually the into the div, and img src, it is okay, w100, or here property featured photo, yes. And change featured photo will be this one, and I am going to put it into a div. It is better. And in the case of name, actually not old of name, it will be property of name. Similarly in the slug, it will be property of slug. Then price will be property of price. Then description will be here property of description. Okay, and after that there is a location and location ID. So here I just remove all the things from here, wait for some times. You will see that the GitHub Copilot suggest me the codes. Press the tab. So here you check, double check if it is correct or not. So property of location ID equal to location of ID, then it will be selected. Yes, you see the logic is applied perfectly. So in the case of type, do the same thing, just wait for some times. You see it comes, and yes, it is also okay. Purpose, here do the same thing, wait for some times. You see if property purpose equal to sale, then selected. Similarly, just remove it, wait for some times. Yet it is property purpose equal to rent, then it will be selected. And here you see this is the bedrooms. It will be property bedroom. So like this. So the next one will be here, that is here will be bedroom. So it will be property bathroom. So like that. And the next one is equal to old of property size. and after that it is floor, so property floor, and after that there is a garage, so here property garage, and then there is a balcony, so put here property balcony, and after that address, so here it will be address, and after that build year, so here I am going to write property build year, and then there is a old featured, here I am going just wait for some time, so you will see if old featured it cannot check it, it will be something like the previous, so property and is featured, property of is featured, if the property of is featured equal yes, then it will be selected. Similarly, if property is featured no, then it will be selected, and location map will be property of map, and then I am going to see the amenities, so all the selected amenities will be here, so here I will have to think what I will write, and here it is update. So in the case of amenity, what will actually happen, you see, if you want to remove this checkbox amenity ID, they suggest me something, now you can check the plug ID, okay, in arrays, so you see what it is going to do, that is all the properties, all the amenities is in my hand, these amenities, okay, I am first going to check, plug will not work, this is okay, so okay, not like that, I am going to do it manually according to my knowledge, okay, so what will be here, you see what is saved into the database, I am going to see it now. You see amenities table is 126 for this particular property, so if these amenities is found, that means I am going to check all the amenities like this, so normally you will see these amenities are showing, so where I will use the checked, that means here checked, so here you see it tells me if in array amenity ID is into here, why plug not needed actually, array, so okay, so I save the data as a string, so if I need to have the data existing data as not a string, that means amenities is this, so property, here is property of amenity, so here existing amenities equal to explode of property amenities, excellent, so this existing amenities I can send here, then I am going to check if this particular amenity ID is in array of not like this, I am going to use existing amenities, then it will be checked, so now let's do that, I am going here, refresh, you see the free Wi-Fi, swimming pool, gym, these three I selected when I added the amenities, now you see these are selected, so it is okay, and all the data that was selected are showing here, you see, and all the data are showing here, also here the current year is showing, so okay, is featured, and here name, slug, price, okay, so existing photo is this. Now when I will submit all the data from here, what will happen, I will show it in front of you, so when I will submit this one, it will take me to here, and then it will be public function, and then I am going to do the one thing, that is I am going to bring something, so here you see it suggests me property updates, so press the tab, now let's check if it works or not, so from property I am going to check, if not then property not found, it is completely okay, and here is request ID, and here is ID. Okay, so name required here property slug accept the property ID, or you can also call the ID, and rejects is this. Okay, fine. Price is this, size, bedroom, bathroom, address. Price, size, bedroom, bathroom, address. Only featured photo, that will not be here because I will check it here. If featured photo is not empty, then I will check only this one. Okay, final name, property, featured photo, timing. Okay, featured photo extension, I will unlink the previous one, that's also good. And request featured photo move, the new photo will be here. Property of featured photo then will be final name. And here property location ID is this. Here final name is not needed, I'm going to remove it. And here built here it is stopped. Amenities equal to similar, request of amenities, everything, and built here. So after built here there is a map, so here I am going to show after the built here map equal to map, then is featured status. Okay, so when he will go to edit the property, actually status is no, status should not be able to change, it will be saved. So property here will be update, property update, so it should work. And here there will be an ending point, and property updated successfully, so here it will be like this. So agent property index, it will back the user to here, and property updated successfully, and it is the image case, and this is the other things. So it should work. So let's check it. For example, property photos, and in this page, in the edit page, you can make the photo a bit larger, you can show. So W200, so it is a bit larger. Now I am going to check it if it is working or not. So here you see property, this one I selected. Now I am going to select another one and then click on update. You see the photo is changed. If I go to here, you will see in my public, then there is upload, property featured photo is updated, and the previous one is not here. So it is actually working. And if you want to show the other data like this, if I want to show like this one and something like that, and also instead of California I can select the New York, click on update. You see New York villa is okay. Purpose, if you want to change the purpose for rent, update, you see it is updated, and all the things are changed here. So I am going to remove this one because it is working. So remove this, and here it is California again, rent or sell I can give here. And if I want to change the amenities, for example fitness center, I bring update. Now if you go to the table, you will see that another one comes here, and if I go to the edit, you see the fitness center is selected. If I remove the swimming pool, and you will see one will be removed here, 167 now. So that means it is working. If I go to edit, you see that this is not selected. So in this way you can edit the properties. And the next one is delete the properties. So if you want to delete a property, I am going to show it here, that is public, and it will be property delete. So here I will write property delete. So if you want to delete any property, just like this, and here you see property where this and isn't, if not then it will be go back, it is okay. And property featured photo not equal to null, then it will unlink it, and then property delete, and property delete successfully, perfect. But I am not going to delete it, I am going to add another one first. And here another one, you see this is the pending, it is also okay. So go to the add property. I am going to use the fake filler to fill up all the inputs. I am going to give something like that, and here slug will have no space, price is this, and these are okay. Address built here, and is featured no, okay. And the photo I will have to select, for example this one I am going to select, submit. So here please select a value between So I use this one. So you see it is added. So if I go here, you see this is property F photo, this one comes. Now what I will do, I am going to delete it. So if I click on delete, you see property is deleted. Now here there is only one property, and if I go here, you see only one featured F photo is here, another one is not here. That means the property has been deleted successfully. Now I am going to work with the photo gallery section, and what will happen in the case of photo gallery. I am not sure if there is any HTML template for this or not. I am going to check it. For example, if you click on here, yes, there is a gallery, user photos. So I can use that gallery from the HTML, that is user photos. If you click here, yes, it works. So now what I am going to do is, here you see this is okay. I am going to index back. So close it, and if a person click on photo gallery, what will happen? So here I will create it out, and here you see this is the property, edit, delete, etc. Now I am going to copy this, and photo gallery I am going to edit. So property, for example here photo gallery, yeah, I will manage the photo gallery here. So property photo gallery, and here is agent property photo gallery. So photo gallery will have a parameter, that means what will be the property ID. So property ID will be here. This one I will call. So here I will have to call this one, and here will be property ID. So property, and here ID, and this is the photo gallery. It will take you to the photo gallery page, and that means there will be here one thing, that is property photo gallery, this one. So in the agent controller I am going to write public function property photo gallery, there will be ID, so this one. So if the property is not correct, here the checking is okay, and here you see property not found, and otherwise it will take to the property folder and then photo gallery folder, and property data is okay, photo gallery. So I am now going to the agent, and here already there is a property folder. Here new blade file I will create, photogallery.blade.php. So this photo gallery will be similar to, for example, the index. So I am going to copy from here, close it, and here paste it. This one I am going to close for now, and here you see user property add, this is not needed. I will need to open, which one I will need to open, that is user photos. This one I am going to open here, and what will be my paste content here, this will be from here. That means I will have to copy up to this one. Okay, so copy this, and in the photo gallery is in property photo gallery, and now here I am going to remove this one, remove this and paste it here that I copied. So my copied code will be here like this. So this is the photo gallery. So now let's do that here. Refresh, you see photo gallery, click here, you see there will be the photos, isn't property photo gallery, but there is no real photos. Now as layout is working, so here add photo, I will browse the new photo and then click on submit, and in this way it will work. So here you see form action is okay, and here CSRF, and here I will have to create another route, that will be, I am going to copy this one and paste it. So here is post route, for example property photo gallery, and here photo gallery, for example submit, and here submit. So here if I submit, or here you can use the store, so store. And now I am going to copy this, and that means here I will go to have the route. So route will be this, and property ID. So property of ID will be here, and as this is a photo, enc type will be this, and here name will be photo, and after the submit it will go there. It is also okay. And what will happen when I will go here, see this is the function, that is public function, and then there will be a store. So request of ID. So let's check if it works or not. You see from the property table I get the data request of validate. Here property photo underscore photo, this is okay. I am going to check the photo from here, upload the photo, property gallery, no, I will make it property photo, not gallery. And into which table it will upload, that is the important thing. Let's think about this. When I am going to submit this on property ID here, when I will submit as in property photo gallery store, so it will come here. So if property ID is in my hand, that is also needed for me. Actually I need photo and ID, and it will automatically be added. Okay, so in here this is checking if the property ID is working or not. After the validation, not like this, I will upload it into this way. So property photo or object, here I call the object equal to property photo. So new property photo, and as there is no photo but property ID will be this, and agent ID not needed actually in my case. I will use another one is object of photo. So property ID and photo will be in the table content, and final name I should bring it after this section. So photo will be final name here, so final name, and then I will just insert the data. So object of save, and it will be into the property photo. Okay, so now my task is to create migration file, php artisan make migration, and then create property photos table. Now I am going to my database, and here this is the table, and here it will be table foreign key you can use in this way. That is the property ID will be the foreign key here, and constraint on delete, this is okay, and another one will be photo. So here just write the photo, and no other items is needed for me, and this is perfect. So php artisan migrate, and the table will be created. Another one needed model, php artisan make model, and this will be property photo model. So create the model. Now I am going to check that table if it is created or not. You see after the properties it is property photos table. Okay, now I am going to create a relation between the property and property photos table. So in order to do that, I will have to go to the model. So here property is this, property photo is this. So each property photo must belongs to a property, right? So public function and property belongs to a property. You see automatically it comes. Okay, and in the property it must has many. So public function photos and has many. Okay, so it has many property photo. So the relationship build up is done. I am going to close it. Now go back to my controller, and this property photo model I will have to call in the top, that is app model property photo. So I come here, and this is only the property check, not like others. So it is okay, and save photo added successfully. It will back to the previous page. Okay, so let's check it now, refresh. You see there is no photo, but I will check it manually first here, and then I will check if that photo is coming here. So now there is nothing, only the property, but property underscore photo, there is no photo like this. So now let's do that. If you give submit the photo field required, so you must have to give the photo. What can be the photo? For example, I am going to add what can be the property photo. I can give any photo. For example, this one I am going to open, submit. You see photo added successfully. If I go here now, you see this is the property ID 1 and property photo, this created this. Now if I go here, you see the photo that I upload that comes here. So all the photos I will now add into here existing photos section. How I can do that? In order to show existing photo, you see property photo gallery is here, it is okay, but here existing photos I will need. So photo gallery, or photos equal to property photo, here property ID equal to this property of ID and get. So I am going to send all the photos to there. So photos is here, and I am going to gallery. After adding existing photos, here you will see repeating items are this. So here for is I am going to write photos as photo, and here will be photos as item, not photos as item, and here in for is okay. And the static items I am going to remove this one, and another one is this one. So two static items I just delete. So now let's do check it. These two are photos, so I am going to write here asset and uploads, and my photo name will be item of photo. These are all the photos will be shown in this way, and this will be the delete option. I will check later. First check it. Yes, it comes here. If you click, it will come. And now I am going to add, for example, another photo that can be this one. Submit. You see it is coming here, and here it will also come. So photos are going to be added, right? Another one I'm going to add. So this can be any photo like this. Submit. You see it is added. So total 3 items coming here in the property page. I am going to property. How many items will be shown here? Total 3 items. So here 3 items are okay. I am not going to add any anymore. And in the left side you see it is not selected. So go to the agent of sidebar, and here you see it is index or update, or if this is property of photo. Property of photo, what is here? That is photo gallery, property of photo gallery, and then it will be active. Okay, so refresh, you see it is selected. So from the property, if I come here, you will see all are here. I add another one that I will remove. So I add another one, but this one, that means this one will be okay, but this one I will go to remove. You see there is a delete icon here. So in the property here, if you want to delete any particular property, I can do that. That is here I am going to copy this one and here paste it. So photo gallery, here property photo gallery delete, and get is okay, and property photo gallery delete. So in the delete it will be the property photo table, so property photo ID. So delete function will be here. So here I am going to write public function. This one is the ID, photo ID. So here I, from the property photo, you see automatically it suggests me code. So from the property photo I will get, if not photo not found. You see now it is checking the property photo, so it is perfect. So photo of photo, if not equal to empty, then it will be unlinked, and then photo I will delete, photo deleted, and it will back. Perfect. So here my this is my route. So in the property photo gallery I call here the route, that is this one, and the ID I will pass, that is item of ID, that means photo ID. so it will back. So now I am going to refresh. If I want to now delete it, click here. Are you sure? Yes, you see it is deleted, and from here you see only 3 items. If I go here, you see 1 2 3, and the last item is not here, so it is automatically deleted when I delete it. So photo gallery section, you see it is perfectly working. Now after the photo gallery, I am going to work with the video gallery option. So in order to work with the video gallery, go again back to the index, so property index, and you see I started photo gallery. So similarly I am going to copy this and paste it, and it will be the video gallery, so like this. So similarly I will go to the page. So what I will do, video gallery.blade.php I will create here, that is video gallery.blade.php. okay, so photo gallery page content I am going to copy, and exactly same thing I am going to paste into video gallery, and this task is complete. So close it. I am going to here to open video gallery, but in the video gallery, yes, something to change here, that is agent property video gallery. And if you want, you can show here the property name. So you can show here. Okay, I am coming there later. First I am going to fix it, that is property video gallery will be here. Okay, so add video will be here, and here not multi-part, there is nothing to use here. So video gallery, here it will not be photo, I will change it, and existing videos will be here. So what the thing I will change, I am going to first front-end HTML and user videos, I am going to bring it here. So here some changes will be there, that is the video code will be here, form group it will be here. So under the form group, instead of photo, it will be like this, video code or something. Here I call video. So video means I am going to write YouTube ID, for example. I write here YouTube video ID. So this one, and submit will be okay. Here video gallery existing videos. So in order to show the existing video, it will be actually like this item, this one. So item will be this, another one will be delete, that is okay. I am going to copy this, that is going to be repeated. So here into the video gallery existing videos, it will be videos, and here my item will be different like this, and here I can write the delete like this one, and so it will be video gallery delete. Are you sure everything is okay? Now write this, and here existing one will be item of this photo, and it will be in my case item of video. So this one and this one. So here I am going to call item of video. So other things should be okay. So I am going to delete this one. So this is the video. So I hope this section is task is completed, and okay, now I am going here again, and here you see photo gallery. Similarly I am going to copy and paste it here. It will be the video gallery. Okay, so close it. In the agent controller, what I did in the case of photo gallery store and delete. So copy all this, paste it here. Here I will just have to write video gallery, property video gallery, and here it is okay, and this one will be property video, and it will be videos. So all the photo I am going to just change by video, so it is video gallery, and here it will be the video gallery, and in the property it will check it is okay. Request of will be here video, and it is required, not other things needed. And after that there will be a property video. Object is okay, but nothing to upload, so remove it. So it is like this. So property ID equal to this, and here is video equal to request of video, and then save. And here it will be video added successfully. So video gallery is stored okay, and here is video gallery delete. Here is nothing to unlink, so remove it. It will be the video, and it will be the property video. And if not video, then for video not found, so something like that. And then video delete, and here is video deleted successfully. So I hope it will work. And web.php, here I am going to copy this data, paste it. All the photo from here I am going to change by video. So video gallery, here is video gallery, here is video gallery, this also, here is video, property video ID, video delete, video. Okay, now my task is to create here migration file for the video. PHP artisan make migration and create property videos table. So similarly, what I did in the case of photos, same thing comes here. And in the photo I added this too, so copy this. And in this case for the video I add this, and here only it will be the video. Others are okay. So PHP artisan migrate table created, and PHP artisan make model and property video will be here. So I create it. So now let's check it if the table is created. You see property videos table come here, and now I am going to close this, and now I am going to write my model. So in the model, in the photo, I added this property, that means it belongs to property. So similarly the video, it also belongs to property. And I am going to the property here, like the photos, there will be a videos, has many property video. Okay, so close this, my relationship is done, and I am going to check it now. So go to video gallery, you see property video not coming, that means in the agent controller top I will have to call property video like this. So let's refresh it. Here YouTube video, here existing video, no video found. So if you want, you can show here no video found. It depends actually. So here existing videos, I am going to check. I am going to close this one, and video gallery and photo gallery. So for the video gallery, if there is no video, that means for else, if you want, you can use here for each video item, and here you can, if that is videos is empty, then no videos found. And here is else, else will be else, and here after this I can use the end if. So alert danger. So if you want, you can use like this. You see there is no videos found. If I give here video, I must have to give the videos. So here I am going to the youtube.com, and now here I am going to check the videos. For example, real estate advertisement USA. So for example, this one I am going to open it, and here I am going to copy this one, close it. And now here I am going to put video ID, submit. You see it comes here, right? So it is excellent, it is working. And if you go here, you will see this is saving here. So another one you can give here, that is the property like this, not like this, it is actually the add and find every home. Okay, so I am going to add another one that is here, and now I am going to add this one here, submit. You see this is coming, so you see perfectly it is working. So another one I will add for this item, and that is where I can go. This is another one. I am just going to put it, so here submit. Okay, and in the case of properties, if there is no property, similarly I am going to copy this, and in my gallery item here else, and here I am going to write end if. So put like this, and no photos found, something like that. So it will be photos, otherwise you will show all the photos here. So in this way you see photos are working, photo gallery, and you also see videos are working. And now I want to delete a video. So if it is working, I can give a fake ID, but you see there is nothing coming, and here you see the last item is coming. This is a fake ID, so video preview is not here. Now I want to delete it. If you click on delete, you see it is deleted. If you refresh, you see the last one is removed. So in this way you can do that. And another one that is important here, I will discuss it. For example, I am going to add a property here. So I am going to fake fill the properties here, this one for example, and here all other things like this, and everything is for example okay. Now I am going to add a photo. So this photo I am going to add. You will see it will send you an email. You see already many emails, the few seconds, that means now it comes here. So admin will check the property index, but I am not the admin, I am not going to check it. So okay, so it is actually pending, this property, right? And if I go to see the public and uploads, you will see the property that comes here for now, that is this one, so featured property. And now I am going to add some photos under it. You see now it is showing no photos found. For example, I am going to add this photo under him, and I am going to add another one. This is another photo, so these two photos. And here I am going to photo gallery, video gallery, I add another thing. So if I now want to show it, you will see the property photos are this and property videos are this. So property ID 3, this is the video, and property ID 3, 2 photo. So this is the video, and if I go to the property photo gallery, you see these 2 photos are under this. Now if I want to delete this one, what will happen? Not only this item will be removed, also you will have to remove all the data that is from here, that means photo gallery and video gallery. So when you will go to delete the normal photo, that is property delete, here you will have to do some other things also. So that is property delete is okay, it will be deleted. Delete photos, delete all property photos. So from the property photo I will check where the property ID equal to which ID, property of ID, it is okay. I will get all the photos in this way. I will run a for each loop, and I will get its particular photo, and I will unlink its particular photo like this, that is unlink this, and then photo delete means this photo, single photo will be deleted. So this is one way, or here you can just normally unlink it. You know there are photos, so just unlink each and every photo, and then I can write property photo where this property ID, and then I can delete this one. You can also apply this one. So delete all property videos, and property videos will be this and straight. You can do this, or videos delete, here I can straight call delete this. So delete, because I am going to check in the property photos, I delete everything where property ID equal to this. This is very straightforward way. So now let's check if it works in my case. So let's do that, and I am going to show you this table also. So that is the properties. So first this one will be deleted, then all the photos, these two row will be deleted, and this last one will be deleted, and also all the photos and all the videos. That means this one will be deleted, and the last two items, this one and this one. So total 3 photos will be deleted, this one, and this one. So let's do that. I am going to delete this one. You see, property deleted successfully. So let's check it, refresh. Yes, it is deleted from the property photos. You see, yes, the last two item deleted, and here this one will be deleted. So refresh, you see it is deleted. And now if I go back to here, you will see that featured property is f underscore only one item, and another one is not here. But problem is these two it cannot delete, right? So these two should be deleted, but it cannot. So I manually delete those. So I will have to check it again because it cannot delete. So what happens, I am going to check. So photo of photo, photos of photo. So it when I am going to check each and every property photos, here I give the name property photos. Okay, so property photos, as here I call the item. That means I am going to check all the data. So public path uploads, it will be unlinked where it is item of photo. So property photo where property ID equal to this, unlink mean it will remove from there, and these two items are deleted, you know already. So I am going, and here I can state call it so if property featured photo not equal to none, it is deleted, and if it is deleted, it should also be deleted. So now let's check it again. Okay, I am going to add another property again. So add property, and now fill all the inputs like this, and featured photo. So I am going to again add this type of things. So price like this, and it should work. Submit. Okay, so here photo gallery, I am going to add the photo like this one. Also I am going to add another one, and here video gallery, submit. So here this is the new property, ID equal to 4, and here property photos 2 item 4, property videos 1 item 4. So now if I go here on to delete this, you see it is deleted, it is deleted, it is deleted. Now let's go here, and you see featured photo is now 1, 2, 3, but these two items are not deleted, so that is the problem here. I can write delete photo from folder. I should work. Delete all property photos. Unlink all property photos from the folder. So I first get the photos and this one. So it actually should work. I do not understand why it is not working, but it actually should work. Photos photo not equal to empty public path. It should work. There is actually no reason for not working. 1 2 3. So again try it. I am again try it. Refresh, add one, and now fake filler. And here I am going to do one another thing now. For example, I am going to delete first unlink first, then property delete. I will apply this. So here I am going to apply this last. So for example, like this. So if I want to show something like that, unlink all photos from the folder. Here the photos, no, there will be a problem again if I do like this. So go back. So photos equal to this. If any data is removed, no, I have the property in my hand, so always it will be in my hand. Now let's check. These two should be deleted. This is the issue. So now let's do that again. There can be a permission error or something, I'm not sure. So try it. Now I am going to check it, but from the folder it is not deleted. So this is very strange. I probably understand the issue here, that is when I am going to delete the property, right? So as I did one thing, that is what I did. If I remove any this ID, because you know this is the foreign key here, the property ID is foreign key. So if you delete any key from here, that is the ID, then automatically these IDs will be removed from here. So as I use the foreign key constraints, so these two items actually probably not needed to delete. Now let's check it. After unlink, I will delete the property. So property delete will not be here. So let's check it another time. I am going again to refresh this one and this one, okay, and this one. Now let's do that again. I am going to the uploads. So now here on featured and these are the features. So let's try it again. I am going to add a property now here. So I am going to fill up the inputs. So like this, and here will be 2000, and here everything okay. Select the photo, for example this one, submit. So wait for some times. Okay, now go to the photo gallery and add two photos. So for example this one, and another one I am going to add, that is this one. So now if the featured photo is this and this one is the featured photo and his property is this two one. Okay, now let's do that again. I am going to remove it. Yes, you see I removed from here. So here also the data are removed. Okay, so from here also removed, so it is not showing. And now here you see, now here it is, and this data are removed. So these two photos are also removed now, so it is working. So what is the problem? The problem was actually I added a foreign key constraint here. If you go to here, you will see that this is actually the foreign key constraint added here, right? So for this reason, when you will remove any property from here, automatically the link from here, that means property ID, will automatically be deleted from this table. You do not need to apply this type of thing here. So I am going to remove, and you must have to unlink this first, then remove from property, otherwise those will be removed and photo cannot be unlinked. So that was the reason. So it is okay. So this task is very simple now. So this is okay like this. So this was actually the fix, and now the complete property management system is working for the agent. Now I am going to work with the property section into the admin. You see that in the admin there is something that is location, type, amenity, etc. So here I will add another thing, that is the property. So I am going to the admin section sidebar. So admin, and then I am going to layouts, and there is a sidebar. So in the sidebar I am going to add another extra section here after the amenity, that is the property. So let's do that. So here it will be property, and here I am going to show that is property. So admin property and admin property index. Okay, so and here I am going to add that is admin property. So now what I will do, I am just going to refresh it. You see admin property comes here. If I click here, nothing working, because I will have to fix it now. So where is admin property? You see I am going to the admin panel now, and in the admin panel you will see that in this case I call the admin controller, but it will be actually the admin property controller. So I am going to write to create PHP artisan make controller. Into the admin I will create admin property controller. So okay, so now I am going to the admin property controller. Here it will be use app model property, and here I will use public function and index. So all the property I will get in this way, where or here I am going to get by order by, and order by ID, and descending you can show and get, and then I will send it to the admin properties, or here admin property singular form I am going to write. So into here views admin, there should be a property. So here I create a folder, that is the property, and here I am going to create that is index.blade.php. So here in this index I am going to copy, for example, other things, order, I can copy it from here, the data, and now in the property I am going to paste it. This is properties. So this is the admin properties, and here it will be properties as, for example, the item. Okay, so here I will show the properties. So what is going to show here, if I refresh, you see still there is a problem, because in the web route this is property wall, it will be index. So admin property index. So now let's check it. You see now index is not found into admin controller, so it will be admin property controller. So as I call admin property controller, here I will have to write here admin property controller. So this is fine. I am going to refresh it. There is orders, so it will not be orders anymore. It will be what other items. So property has a photo, so I am going to give here photo or featured photo. You can write here the name featured photo, and there is a property name, and then I can write here the property location, then I can write here the type, and then there is a purpose. So location, type, purpose, and who added this property. So agent is important here in the case of admin. So agent, and here I am going to write price is okay, and what other items. So status I am going to show, and expired date is not needed. This thing I am going to remove, and the last one here you can write, that is the action. So like this. So properties item, first one is featured photo. So here I am going to give if item featured photo, item of featured photo not equal to null, then it will be no other folder, it will be item featured photo. Property image is okay. Here I can write class equal to wide 100, and here similarly I am going to write class equal to wide 100, and here default.png will be shown. As there it is not possible, so I remove it, because this property must have a photo. You can give here the name alter, or just make it for now empty, it is okay. And then there will be property name. So here will be item of name here. So I write the item of name, and after property name the property price. So here will be price, so name, then agent, location, type, purpose, and here it will be agent. So agent name, then location and type and purpose. So location, as these are IDs, so I am going to call the name from their relationship. So here it will be the purpose, so item purpose, and then price, and after price there is a status. So here this will be the status. So I am going to make it, if the item of status equal to pending, then it will be danger, and item status. So item status will be shown here, otherwise success, then that means active. And here you see this one, I am not going to write it in this way. First let's check it. Yes, admin is going to see his property status, and if admin wants to change it, and below the status I will go to write here a change option. Okay, so if admin wants, he can change the status. So it is okay, change, and I am going to bring it into a div, that means here. Now there will be a change option in the status, it is okay. And now there is a action. Action means if he wants to see the detail about this, what will happen. So here class equal to btn success, and btn sm, and here I call the I class equal to fai. So something like that. So detail he will be able to see. So click here, then it will take him to where. So here I will copy and paste it, and property detail, and here it will be, for example, the ID, and property controller, here I will show the detail, name equal to property detail. So here I copy this, and here paste it in this route, and there will be ID. So ID means item of ID. So property ID, he will be taken to the property, and here I create detail.blade.php, and here I am going to write public function and detail, and here ID and property detail. So property, here I call where is like this, ID equal to this, and here I call the first. So this will be the property, and detail will be here. So property data I will get in my hand, so in the detail I will show it. So I am going to copy this on and detail paste it. So here I write property detail, and property name will be here. For example, it will be property name. And now this item I am going to remove. This everything. So ID should not be here. So this is very straightforward and SM. And TR and TD, for example. So first one is TAs, and here I write the featured photo, and here TD, and I write the IMG, and here there will be a class and white 100 or 200, and photo will be here. So here asset and uploads, and here property. So property of featured photo will be here. So let's check it from here, refresh. If I click here, you see this is the featured property, and here I am going to call a class white 200. It is better. So like this. So first one is the featured photo, and here table responsive, it is also okay. So the next one is property name, and after name you can show the agent, and you can show the location, you can show the type, you can show the purpose, you can show the price, you can show the size. So what other items? Bedroom, okay, bathroom, and then garage, address, balcony was also here, not city. It will be actually, I am going to check it now. So from the properties I am going to check agent, location, type, amenities. So first one is name is okay, agent, location, type, and here will be amenities. I am going to add amenities here. So amenities, how I can show it, it is later I will work, but okay, if you want, you can show property amenities as property in this way, but in the property amenities I have only the ID, so not going to do that. Purpose is okay. I'm going to check name, slug, description. So where there is a name, I can call here the slug. So here it will be slug, and here also this is slug. And the description, if you want, you can show here, no problem. So this is description. So property description, and here I am going to write this way. So after description there is name. These items are okay. Name, select, description, price, featured photo. So price also where, this one. So I cut it, and after the description I put the price, and agent, location, type I call in the top after the photo. So name, slug, or here it is okay. Agent, where is agent, that is okay, no problem. And then I am going to write purpose, and then bedroom, bathroom, size, floor, garage, balcony. Bedroom, bathroom, size. So size will be after this, bedroom, bathroom, size. Then there is a floor. So floor, here is floor, size, floor, bedroom, bathroom, size, floor, garage, balcony. So here I write the garage, and then I will have to write the balcony. So balcony, and here is balcony. So I write here this one, and it is after the garage. And then the next one is address and built year. So address is here, you see, and then I'm going to put the built year. So built year. So here it will be built year. So okay, so now I am going to show the map. The map and other items. Map is featured status. So here write the map directly here. So that will be the map, and here it will be the map, and also it will be this way, map, and there will be a status. So here status actually comes from the previous page, so it is not important here to show, and is featured, and I'm going to write if is featured. So is featured, here I can write property of is featured. So if I now go to here, refresh, you see name, select, description, price, and amenities not coming, bedroom, bathroom, etc. coming here. So bedroom, actually not S will be here, so only bedroom and bathroom. Now refresh, yes coming. Amenities I did not add here, but all others. Is featured yes or no, that is the issue. Is featured yes, right? So what is going to be saved here, that is if is featured. What I actually did, I am going to check the property, not like this. In the agent actually added the property. So agent did what, I am going to check create. In the create you see the property status is not here, but is featured, value equal to 1. And I am going to check the structure, and status is featured equal to var character, right? So here if I put yes or no, it is better. So yes or no. So if old is featured yes, it should be yes, no. So that was the problem that happened here, and I am going to fix it now. Here it will be yes, and here it will be no. So now let's manually change it for now, and that will be here yes, for example. Now I am going to refresh, and here this one, and you see the agent can now change it. So if I now press it no update, and now if I go to refresh, yes, it is now no. And if it is and is featured, you can show here the status, and there is a is featured, so property index. So in the case of agent property index, it is better to show the is featured status here. And so what I can do here, I am going to copy and paste it. If is featured is featured, if is featured equal to yes, then it will be yes, otherwise it will be no. And here I am going to write ts is featured. Now let's check it, refresh, you see is featured no, status pending. Okay, so admin is going to see everything from here, but amenity, next I will work with the amenities to show and change the status here. Now I am going to change the status here. So here if you click on the change, what will happen? So if I click on the change, I am going to close this one for now. So detail is okay. In the detail I will add many other things also. And if I go to change the status, okay, before going to work with that, I am going to fix the detail page. Okay, so in the detail you will see that if I go to click here, so all the amenities I should come here. So if you go to the amenities table by this, it will be better. And in the amenities in the page, I am going to use explode to get the amenities. So here PHP, and in PHP here I am going to write amenities, amenity array equal to explode of property amenities. Okay, so from the amenity table I am going to get wherein, okay, for now I am going to check if it is working. That is, there is a array, you see amenities. So I am going to give the app models amenity, where id equal to this, and here wherein id equal to amenity array, and this is get. Okay, so next what will be here, amenity array. So here I am going to check from the amenity table where, okay, so let's for is, and here amenity as item, and let's get the item here. So I am going here, refresh, you see free Wi-Fi, gym and fitness center are the amenities here. If he comes here, the user, and here in the agent property I am going to check, and here I am going to make it action to 100. Here again, go here, yes, now it is better. So now go to edit it, and here you see free Wi-Fi, gym, fitness, breakfast I add here. So admin will see the breakfast is added. So how it is coming here, if you go to the detail, you will see that I am first going to get the amenity array, just convert the amenities. If you see the database, that means into the properties, you will see amenities are just put here in this way, 1, 3, 6, 7. So my task is what? My task is actually to show it, that means to convert it into array. So the array elements are here, in this case 1, 3, 6, 7. So what I am going to do from the amenity table, I am going to get all the data where in id, and where in id means here, you know, in array or the PHP function. So that type of things I am going to check here, where in id in this array. If id is into this array element, then I will take this, otherwise not. So this amenity means I have all the amenities information where that amenity is included into the amenity array. So that amenity, all data is in my hand because it is taking the data from the amenities table of the database. And so each item I will get in this way, and then I will show item of name, that means the amenity of name. Item of name means if you go to the amenities table, you will see that there is a name. So I am going to get the names. So this is not very complex, this is easy. So you see all the amenities are showing here in this way. And after that, here you see there are many photos. In my case, there is a photo gallery. So in the last of this, I can use a TAs, that is photo gallery, and here I am going to get all the data from where? From the photo gallery table, but it is not the way he is suggesting me. I already have photo gallery table, so I am going to give here property of photos as item. It is better, and item photo will be shown. Yes, property of photos mean you will see that here there is a model. So if I go to check the model here, you will understand. In the model where there is a property, you see proper photos is a function, has many. So from here it will be linked up. So that photos means all the photos from the property photos table. So I am going to get his data in this way, and that will be shown here. So let's check it, refresh, you see this is showing in this way. And here of course I am going to make it bigger, so like this. So this is the photo gallery, all the photos are here. And similarly, if I go to show all the videos, then it will be the video gallery. So property videos, I am going to get all the videos. And here if I want, here you see this is the admin panel, right? And admin panel, and here you see when I am going to see, it is actually this way. And photo, not photo, I am going to think about the video. When I click here, it is coming in this way. Okay, you can do that, or straightforward you can apply the iframe code here. So iframe code I can also add here. So it will not work because I will need the iframe code from, for example, here I am going to copy the data, share, and here is embed code. So copy this, and from here I am going to paste it here. So item of video I need, and that is SI is not needed. Here embed, this is the main thing. So here copy item video. So here I am going to refresh it, and you will see the videos are coming here one by one. And if you want, you can just maintain the video size from here. If you want, you can apply this type of technique, so that if you click here, the video is loaded. If you want to apply this technique, what will happen? So you will have to call, in that case, that technique of the magnific pop-up. But I am not going to make this so complex for the admin. Just straightforward show the videos. This is okay. I am not going to change it because admin is just seeing if everything is okay, and then admin will go again here and then change the status if everything is okay. So change the status is the main thing here. So I am going to close this, and agent section, close this. This is the change, and here you see this is the thing. So I am going to write here, that is change status, and here you can bring the ID, because the change status will be the ID here. Change status property, here is change status. So this one, and I will have to pass the ID. So here I am going to put the route, that is this one, and here ID will be item of ID, that means the property of ID. So change means if the current status is pending, it will make it active, and if active, then make it pending. So public function change status, and here I pass the ID, and you see it is showing, it is suggesting me the code. So property where ID equal to this, and if property status equal to here I can write pending, then the status I will change active, and otherwise I will make it pending, and then save. Property status updated successfully. So let's do that. If I click here, you see it is now active, and if I click here, it is pending. So whatever you do here, you can send the email to the agent, because this is agent property. So I am going to send the email to agent. So what agent will see? Agent will see all his properties. That means agent will see here in this location that it is approved. Here is again pending, so it is not showing, but he will see it actually agent property index. So like this. So agent property index. So in the web.php, I will need actually the property index for agent. So that means agent underscore property underscore index. So this one. So I am going here, and link will be link equal to agent property index, agent property index. So this will be the route. So I am going to remove it. So this is the link, and subject will be property status updated, or here first time, if only pending, then okay, property status changed or updated is okay. Property status updated. So subject is this, message will be your property status has been updated to this property status, and to check this, please go to this link, and here I can write a beer. So to view your properties, it is not needed, and it is actually the link. So the link I can instead call here using the link, and it is okay. This is the message, and after the message there will be a sent email. So I am going to the agent controller. Where is the mail sending? So for example, this is a mail sending code. So I am going to write here, and where the email will be sent to the agent. So I have the property of agent ID in my hands. So here write property of agent ID. So actually not agent ID, I will have to send it to the property of agent of email. So agent email equal to this, and website mail will be here, app mail, website mail. then it will work. So I hope it will work. Now go here, click on change. It is going to send the email. Just you will see the email now. You see property status update change here. If agent he comes here, and if I see new property status changed, email comes here. If agent click here, he is taken to here. So actually it is working here, and it is okay. So in the admin panel, you can easily control this type of things in this way, and I hope you understand it well. And this icon I am going to change here, for example, primary. That will be better. Okay, so click here, see everything. Admin will check everything here. If you want, you can go to the to add the back button or something like that. Otherwise you can go again, and if he wants, he can again change the status, and it depends. Now I am going to add some sample data. You see that in the admin panel, if I go to the agent, there are some agents, that is agent 1 and agent 2. I am going to add another agent here so that you can understand. So this 2 agent is okay, Ricky is okay. Now I am going to add another one. So here I am going to this fake name generator website and generate names. For example, I am going to Robert Clark, it is okay, or something like that. Simple small name. I'm going to search. Terry is okay, so I can just put this on as a agent. So give the name, that is Terry Chin, and email is terry@gmail.com. and from here I am going to add an agent photo that can be here, and company. So here I am going to put a company name here. So this one, and his designation here, remote here, remote estate specialist, something like that. Phone is this, and it is actually not needed because these are not mandatory. 1 2 3 4, and biography, and for example he is active. Okay, so I hope it will work. Click on submit. It is going to send the email to the agent. So okay, agent create successfully. So 1 2 3. So it is perfect, and I am going to here, and I am going to check the email. Yes, your account is created. So from here agent can see his information. You see there are some nullable fields. So if you want, you can just skip this information, and you can just skip this information. It actually depends how you will handle it. You can send him the information that admin is able to enter, or that are mandatory fields. So I am not going to work with that more. My main focus is to add many properties by this. For example, I am going to now add property by Ricky. So here I am going to log out and log in as this agent, and here I am going to the make payments. So for example, he is going to make this one, that is this is, so make a payment. So Ricky, and here is already, if there is any special property, you see there is already an order by his name, so he can add property. So I am not going to make any order by him. I will just check it, that is the logout. Okay, so here no, here I am going to add property. So let's add the property here. I am going to my HTML, and in the HTML, go to the properties section. I am going to add another property here, that is modern villa. Price is, for example, on 24000, and here description. I am going to see all the property by this agent. You see he is not able to see other property, other person property, but if he wants to see other person property that he does not have access, property he will see property not found. He will not be able to access other person's property. Already that security is applied. So now I am going to focus on the add property, and here you see the information that is needed to give, that is the location, type, something like that. From here I am going to put the description and Boston apartment and rent, for example, bedroom 8 square feet is 3000, floor is 2, garage is 1, balcony 1, and here I am going to give the address. So here I am going to copy the data from here, put the address. Built here is 2020, and is featured here you can put yes, and location map not needed. For this I am going to use randomly something, air conditioning, not breakfast, fitness center, so like this. So click on submit. You see featured photo is not given, so again I select air conditioning, fitness center, car parking, and all the data you see already is here. Only I select the rent, and it is, for example, Dallas. Apartment is okay. So here I am going to select the photo. So for example, this is the photo. So click on submit. So property create is okay. Now admin will receive this one, and if admin go to the property, you will see this is the pending. So admin will be able to see all the data, but photo gallery has no photo. So from here he will be able to update his photo, and here you see no photos found. So he can add some photos. For example, this one I can add another one, another photo, that is this one, for example. And for the video, real estate USA, I write here real estate USA, and I am going to get some information. So YouTube link I need, so not this, this is add. So I go here, and this is the thing, and here I am going to put for example the video gallery. So here put this one, this is on, and another one I am going to write. So this can be another one, so just cut it, and now I am going to add this one here. So 2 items I added for this, that is the person is Ricky Fern, and how many active and pending property he has. You see he added only on pending and on and 0 active. So if you want, you can show the dashboard, you can fix it for now. For example, I am going to show the dashboard data. So I am not going to work with dashboard now, just my focus is add property. So I am going to add another one property by this person. So let's go to HTML. So for example, apartment in New York, this is the property. So let's go there, add another one, slug apartment New York. So this is, for example, 99000. So this is in USD, and this one I'm going to copy and paste it here, and it is, for example, New York and bungalow I can give here, bungalow or cabin in New York. Okay, so here I put cabin in New York. So here cabin, so it is okay. Cell is okay. Bedroom 4, bathroom 2, size is 5000 square feet, floor 2, garage 2, balcony 6. Address is, from here I am going to which address I am going to generate. I am going to copy a sample address here, so something like that. Build is 2014, is featured no, and here is gym, swimming pool. submit. It will not work until I add a photo here. So I am going to add a photo. So here is gym and swimming pool and breakfast. So click here, just wait for some times. It is going to be added, and you see it comes here, is featured yes, and this is featured no, and both are pending, and admin will see both. Here you see admin just seeing these items for this property, and for this item there is no property yet. So from here I am going to add the photo gallery now. So photo gallery can be this one photo. I am going to add another one, that can be this one. This is another photo, 2 items. And there is a video gallery. I am going here, and it can be happen that no video is there. It is also possible, right? So I am just going to log out. I am going to agent normal. So here the agent will be able to see his own property, edit his own one. But if you want to update a property that is not found, that means if I want to go to the property, and here see this is the ID 8, so this person do not have access the 8 ID. So but if he wants 8, it is not possible. He can only edit his own property here. And here in the case of admin, I am going to make this pending, this person's 2 property. So first one was this, that is the featured is okay, this is not featured, so pending, but this one I am going to change. So this person's one property I make active, and another one I make pending, and this is the another one, agent is Kian Douglas. And here the agent will add more properties here. So I am going to add here the properties which can be the HTML. I am going to add, for example, nice condo. It is condo in Orlando. So here I am going to add it. So add property, nice condo. So here nice condo in Orlando, and price is, for example, 78,000. And I am going to select any photo, so it can be anything. So what I am going to write, this one for example, and copy the description, paste it, and it is where it is actually Orlando. But if you see there is no Orlando, so San Diego is okay. So I am going to give here San Diego. So here San Diego. Now I am going to give bathrooms and other items. Here bedroom bathroom size. So for example 4-3 size is 2300 square feet, floor 2, garage 2, balcony 4, balcony 1. Address I can generate it, and from here I am going to copy, and I am going to paste it the address. So built here 2011 is featured. His another property is featured or not, I am going to check. It is not featured, so this one I am going to make featured. Map I am not going to give here, and I am going to give all the information. So wait for some times. So 2 property this person added, and 2 property another person, you see. And I am going to add another one here. So nice villa in Boston. So here I am going to add this one, excellent villa, or only villa in Boston. So villa in Boston 2330999. So this is, and I am going to apply the location, for example this one, or I can make a better picture. So I am going to make the picture this one. Okay, so description I am going to copy and paste it here as a description. And villa, here villa in Boston, here is for rent, here is 74600, floor 3, garage 4, balcony 8. So here I am going to generate the address. So this is another address that is generated. I use this. Build tier is 2007. Is featured here, yes, and I am going to give these 2 items. So I am going to submit and it should come here. So if I go here, you see these 2 are pending. So admin is going to keep another this person's 1 item pending, so last one, and this one he is going to approve. So Kian Douglas, among the 3 items, 1 is pending, and for the Ricky Fund 1 is pending. So in this way I just try to manage this one. So adding some sample data is okay. And if I go to the customer, if admin wants to see the customer, actually customer account will be used for messaging, but total 3 agents is okay. If I go to here, that is the agent is 4 agents here. So okay, I am going to add another agent who will not have any property like this. So I can add another agent here. 4 items will look better. So I am going to generate the name, again generate it, Kevin, for example. So let's do that, Kevin. So kevin@gmail.com, and here I am going to select the photo, for example this person, and company. So here company name is this one, and department head, for example, and photo and other things I am not going to give here. Password 1234, and I am going to make him active. Okay, so just I added 4 agents, nothing else. Okay, so 1 2 3 4.